Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to upload videos on Twitch. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. Now first of all you need to do is simply visit the Twitch homepage by visiting the official website of Twitch. Once you're in this kind of interface, you need to now access your account and tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. After you tap on it, you will get this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on Video Producer. Now, once you have tapped on Video Producer as well, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can find an option called Upload. Simply tap on the Upload option, and after you have done this, you need to now select your video which you want to upload in your Twitch. Once you have selected the video file that you want to upload, you need to now simply tap on the open option. After you have done that as well, your video will now be uploaded on your Twitch. So after the video gets uploaded on your Twitch, all you need to do is simply tap on the publish option. After tapping on publish as well, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to now simply fill in all the descriptions and details about that particular video. After doing this, you will be able to upload video on Twitch. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.